There's nothing good on TV.
What, did maybe put it on the news or something?
No one watches the news anymore.
I'm gonna put it on anyway.
Okay. Breaking news! Yeah, breaking news! Apes have been spotted in the wild today, everywhere. So if you can find one and turn it into us, you'll get $10,000. Yeah, so go find those apes. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Uh-huh.
Let's go! Ah! Ooh, ah! Ooga booga! Do you see anything?
Now do you? Are you okay? Are you having a seizure or something? Are you making monkey noises?
Right there!
Hey, over here, Ooga Booga, or it's a monkey.
I don't think we can get his attention, but I know someone who can. You can't be serious.
Come on, Dad, this is $10,000.
Fine, okay.
What the hell?
Huh? Oh!
Hey man, stay back, I have a stick.
Woohoo!
Get off me! Take this, you stupid monkey! See you later! Oh no, no! Oh! No!
The monkey's got jabbed.
What do we do? Oh, so now we're just playing King of the Hill. Okay. Okay, gotta finish climbing up this rock wall. Please, please, no, no, no! No!
My turn. Oh no, I'm really high up. I got this. I'm basically Tarzan. Okay, I'm the highest one up. Did I win? I lost.
That was a fun game. It was just a game? Yeah, man. Hey, do y'all think we could be friends? Yeah, just come home with us. Wait, what about the $10,000?